What's up, YouTube? I haven't been in Dollar General in forever. I'm about to go inside here. Hope all is well. Alright. Yo, this sweet honey barbecue is so good. I like it. Alright, detergent. I haven't been in here in a minute. The last time I've been inside Dollar General. It's been a while. Look at this. Takis on Takis everywhere. Dang. What is that? I don't know. But yeah, let's go look for it. Oh, right here. I didn't have to search far. Today's laundry day. If you didn't know, what kind of detergent do y'all? Detergent and bleach and fabric softener and bleach sheets do y'all use? Is this $2? Ooh, should I get Snuggles or Game? I haven't had Snuggles ooh, in a good minute. So I think the Snuggles or Game or Bounce. Outdoor Fresh. Let's smell what Bounce smell like. See what this one. Oh, they have this one here. Oof, this smells good. I like the smell of it. Which one? I'm confused here. Okay, so Gain is $2. They're showing Gain. Where's the Snuggles? Is Snuggles $2 too or $3? Gain dryer sheets are $3. Oh, Snuggles. No, Snuggles is $2. Okay. Let's do Snuggles. Snuggles smells good. I haven't done it in a while. Let's do it. Look at that. $10.95. Okay, let's see what else they got in here besides the stuff that we got inside here. I don't even know. On the side we got over here. You know what I mean? Detergent that's in here. I need. Oh, they got furniture in here. Look at this. Not furniture, decor. I need another one of these. It's just $10. I can use my Cricut and put something on here. It's a toilet holder. It's heavy. Oh, okay. What is this? A soap dish. Little garbage can. How much is that? There's no price on that. There's some more decor. Yeah, it's time for summertime, spring cleaning and stuff. Need some more curtains too. They don't have nothing cute. Well, that's alright. That's not the color of my house though. I want something cuter than that. Something's cuter than that. Alright. I think I'm done in here though. Here's some more laundry baskets. Laundry. Oh, what is this? Little end table. I want a real end table though. You know, not a whole like that big clock though. So, alright. So, let's check these out. Oh, salty. That's cute. Container. That's cute too. Nice. The doggy. That's $10. It's a home sale event that's happening right now. We have these in the family. Alright, all I came is to get was this, and I got this, so we're gonna take off, but I'm just still looking. That's cute. I like this. How much is this? $5. That's cute. There's a gather. It's decorating time. Takeout is my favorite recipe. Those are cute. Here's some candles. They don't have nothing. It's just $6. Let's open it up. Just how it looks. Another. Ugh. Okay, I'm done smelling stuff for today. Nobody got time for that. That one's cute. What did it say? Calories don't count on the weekend. Right. Look at to-do list. Yeah, I haven't been at Dollar General in a minute. Let me go before my clothes stop. I'm just in here. Uh-oh. Zori? What is this? What does this do? It sings? Oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, I think Zori will be tired of that. Yeah, I get her too many of those. I got her this. Oh, was that that? No. Something similar to that, though, I had got her. So, no more stuff until Christmas time. Once Christmas time hit, then we'll do it. Is this non-magnet? I thought it was magnet. I need that. Okay. Let's see. What's up? There's a little toy. Okay, I'm almost done inside here. I just want to make sure I didn't leave anything before I go. This is tissue and buckets. Some more socks. Why did those socks are $6? Oh, goodness gracious. What a dollar socks at? They don't have dollar socks anymore. They used to. I need some more socks too for the summer. I like character socks like Hey Arnold, stuff like that. Those are cute to me. But here's pajamas and underwears, performance socks, little bags. Okay, y'all, I think I'm out of here. Oh, let me see what's over here for Zori. We gotta check Zori's. She don't use pacifier. What is this? I think she's too big for that. Think so. I don't know. I need to get something. Oh, they had dryer sheets over here too. Little sacks. These are $5. Say skincare. Everything had, as long as it got a nice packaging, everything no means good though. You know? These are locked up. A lot of them stuff is locked up nowadays. The Hydro Boost, I like that. I had the mask, but I never even used it. This is complexion soap. Some lotion. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna take up, get out of here. I need to get that. The body butter. Oh, shoot. Who's this over here? Something's in my eye. They don't have the pomegranate over here. Alright, I'm out of here. Oh, wait, somebody here? Hello? There's 2 for $20. Oh, they got Pampers 2 for $20. How many come in there? And 2 for $15. Oh, that's cool. Uh-oh. Dang.
Late laundry, huh?
Yeah. I just had to run down here.
Oops. Hit the wrong button.
Uh-oh. There you go. There you go.
Everybody's paying their 20s today. Every single person.
I didn't have no change. I usually use
No,
my card.
It's nothing bad. It's just weird.
Yeah. I'm gonna see came out. Okay, so this is the end of the vlog. I'm gonna go ahead and take off, and I thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching. Have a great day.